Have you ever wanted to capture that magic moment when the sky turns a glowing red at sunset? Today we are going to paint a stunning watercolor red sky with soft tree silhouettes and even a few birds flying across. It's super relaxing and I will walk you through every step, so grab your paints and let's dive in. Alright, let's open up the sketchbook. For today's painting, I will be using just 3 brushes, 1 big mop brush and 2 small brushes. Keep it simple, but they will give us everything we need for this sunset scene. First thing first, let's load up the big mop brush with the clean water and evenly wet the paper. Aim for smooth, even sheen across the surface. This is what will let our colors flow and blend beautifully. Now for the fun part, color mixing. On the palette, I'm taking cadmium red, adding cadmium orange, and then a touch of John Brilliant. Swirl it gently with the mop brush until it looks like a little sunset right on your palette. Let's float this wash across the top of the paper, letting the color move with the water. Then while the paper is still wet, I'm dropping in a wash of cerulean blue below. Watch how the warm reds and the cool blues meet and softly blend. This is the magic of wet on wet. While the surface is still damp, I'm strengthening the sky with a richer mix of cadmium red at the very top. Then I will blend in some cerulean blue mixed with the John Brilliant toward the bottom of the softer transition. And here is a neat trick. I'm using a clean dry brush to lift out a circle for the sun. This gives us a reserved space we will bring to life in a moment. Now for the glow, I'm mixing lemon yellow with cadmium yellow and gently glaze that into the lifted circle. It really pops against the red sky. Time to let this layer dry. Take a moment, get a cup of tea, and just enjoy watching how the pigments settle into soft textures. Watercolor has a way of painting itself when you let it. Now that it's dry, let's suggest some faraway mountains. I will take a very diluted mix of cerulean blue with the John Brilliant and lightly brush it across with the mop brush. Keep the edges soft and the color pale so they sit quietly in the distance. Next, let's add foreground bushes. I'm mixing Prussian blue with a touch of cadmium red for a deep, muted tone. With my watercolor brush, I will dab in organic, uneven shapes. For extra depth, I will strengthen a few shadow areas with a thicker, darker mix. With the same mix with a little cadmium yellow, I will drag the brush in the dry brush motion across the foreground. This leaves broken strokes with bits of paper showing through, perfect for suggesting grasses and rough textures. Here comes a fun technique. I will gently scrape with a palette knife to lift out a few tree branches from the bushes. Just a few strokes are enough. Less is more when it comes to these little highlights. And now the last detail. Once the paper is completely dry, I will take a small brush and add a few flying birds into the sky. Just simple, loose strokes, but they instantly add movement and life to the whole scene. And there we have it, a glowing red sky with the distant mountains, dark bushes, and birds in flight. If you enjoyed painting this, I think you will also love my another watercolor sky tutorial too. It's another dreamy sky, but with a totally different mood. Click over here, and let's keep painting together. See you in the next one.